Hello my dear friend, today we are going to discuss about the drift velocity. Okay, so we have to determine the expression for drift velocity. What is the drift velocity? It is the average velocity of the electrons by which they are drifted towards the positive terminal of the battery. Suppose this is the conductor and a source is applied across the ends of the conductor by the potential V, then the electric field is set up in the conductor and the electrons are moved towards the positive terminal of the battery. So that average velocity of the electron by which they are drifted towards the positive terminal of the battery under influence of electric field. Okay, student, by the second law of Newton, if the acceleration produced in the electron is A and mass of electron is m, then the force acting on it, which is equal to F is equal to m. And we know that the electric field is there, so the force of electron is also be there. So the force is F is equal to Q dot E. If the charge of electron is minus E and the electric field is E, then the force is minus E dot E. On comparing these forces, minus E dot E is equal to m into A. So the acceleration produced in it E upon m. This is the acceleration produced in the electrons. We know that at initial the average velocity of the electron is equal to 0. So the average initial velocity yani u is equal to 0. So the on applying the potential or any type of source, the final velocity or average velocity of the electron is v is equal to u plus a t, where v is the average velocity, so we take this velocity is the drift velocity, and u is the average initial velocity, so we take it is 0. A is the acceleration produced in the electron which we have determined, and t is the time. So here time is called the relaxation time. Relaxation time. So the relaxation time is the average time for which the electrons are taking before the collision. We know that the electrons are moved towards the positive terminal of the battery, they are collide to each other. So before the collision, the average time taken by the electron is called the relaxation time. It is denoted by tau. So this equation becomes Vd is equal to u plus a into tau. This average initial velocity is equal to 0. So Vd is equal to 0 plus a is the acceleration. So a is minus e upon n into tau. It means Vd is equal to minus e upon n into tau. This is the drift velocity. If we take the magnitude, so we can write here magnitude. Velocity is the vector quantity, so we take the vector sign also. Okay, e tau upon n. This is the relaxation time. In vector notation, vector form, we can write here Vd is equal to E E tau upon n. Because E is the charge of electron, we cannot take the vector sign. It is a scalar quantity. Tau is the time, n is the mass. So all are the vector scalar quantities. So we cannot take the vector sign. Only here capital E is the electric field. It is a vector quantity. So we take the vector sign. Okay. So this is the vector notation of the drift velocity. Okay. Thank you, student.